Tanjareen Thomas.
Jefferson Graham.
Hey.
Hi.
Great to see you.
Hey.
All right.
Hey. Hi.
Hi. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
All righty.
I promise you there's going to be some sun.
Yeah?
Just give it a second. It's coming.
This is photographer weather. We like it.
Oh, because it's overcast.
That's
it's not
right.
too bright. Okay, well then I don't promise sun.
Okay, we're photo walking today in the Toluca Lake area of Los Angeles, otherwise known as Burbank, with a very special guest. This is the 50th episode of the Photowalk series, and to celebrate, who else but Tanjareen is with us.
Oh, you have to say my name the right way. It's pronounced Tanjareen. Like that. Can you do that?
Okay, yeah. Tanjareen is with us.
Yay, you said it right, Tanjareen. I like to hear my name sang, you know, because there's a lot of E's in there, and I don't know. But thank you so much for having me on the 50th episode. I'm excited.
To your hood.
To my hood, yes. I'm really from Inglewood, but I live in Toluca Lake, Burbank area now, because, you know, my life is better. I love Toluca Lake because it's just a really small community. It's only a few miles long, and it's really close to the Burbank side of the media district. So you get all the old Hollywood feel of Bob Hope mixed with fun activities for families, mixed with cute little shops that aren't even open for, you know, many hours because it's just a family run business all over town. Like I just love the small townness of it. I was working at Warner Brothers on a TV series, and I was able to get to their parking structure from my garage in 60 seconds.
60 seconds.
I should have walked, but you never know what time you're going to get off work. When you're in the industry, you can work 14 hours, 15 hours, and be off at 4 in the morning, 3 in the morning, and I didn't want to walk home cold and tired. But yeah, I'm embarrassed to say it took me 60 seconds to get to work while I was on that job, which was awesome. You know, NBC, Warner Brothers, ABC, Disney, they're all right here. So that's like one of my favorite things.
Where's the lake? Where's the lake?
I've been looking for the lake of Toluca Lake since I moved here in 2004, and I can't find it, but I heard it was on a country club property.
Yeah, the Lakeside Country Club.
Can't get on.
And 35 homes. 35 homes who are lucky enough to buy a place to live on the lake.
So I don't have any friends with that kind of money apparently who have decided to buy in that area. So yeah, I have not seen the lake of Toluca Lake.
So you're not living on the lake?
I'm not living on the lake yet. Paty's is a great landmark, yes. It's a great diner that has really good food, and as you can see, it's crowded.
It's the home of Sal Romeo. Do we know who Sal Romeo is?
No, but I think it's Romeo. But
yeah, I know, I'm not pronouncing right. This is the home of Sal Romeo.
Etc. I don't know who he is, but apparently he has enough money to do the rent for his own acting studio, and good for him. Good for him. There are a lot of acting studios.
And then next story, you can get a lash lift.
Yes, I don't know what a lash lift is.
How about a mink?
Oh wow, I guess you can put mink on your eyebrows for 120 bucks. Look at that. Because you know, that's what helps you book jobs in this town. This is a little complex of businesses, and normally they wouldn't look like this. This is just a cute little cottage with several businesses inside.
And a dragon.
And look at that amazing statue of the dragon. That place says luxury apartments. They kind of should change that adjective by now in 2020. Like this building says luxury. Imagine being a fly on the wall back then. The Starlet was a big deal back then. Look at this, like it's still the same design as when it was built. In the old school swimsuit with the little, it's just so cute. You want me to face out from the?
Right here.
Oh, right here.
And give me a Starlet look. What would a Starlet look be?
I just moved out here from Georgia to make it. I got a 3-picture deal with Warner Brothers Studios. Good spot? Okay. Yes. This is another building that I'm just sure has the history of like partying hard after filming at the studios across the street. They come back here and probably like did some casting couch stuff. I'm just saying.
Can you get the dead end sign out of the way for me? camaraderie. You just got the best acting role ever. I'm telling you right now that you have to wear red and yellow today, not orange.
That's fine.
I can't believe you didn't tell us about this until now. We've been together for an hour. What is across the street?
Kind of like my own hotel. It's called the Tanjareen, and everything's orange. It's a beautiful place, so let's check it out.
I think we should. The Tanjareen. I kept saying, is there anything else in Riverside? That's really up there. It's Tanjareen.
It's Tanjareen. This is a cute, and you feel it. It smells like you're in a spa. Yeah, maybe you can get that. I am in heaven. Look at this, beautiful skies. It's my very own. So this is how I hang out. Fun fact about Tanjareen, my very favorite flower in the entire world is sunflowers. And I had no idea that this sunflower wall was here until I did this photo walk with you.
That's the whole thing about the photo walk is open up your camera eyes, get out on your feet, get out of the car, and you see things that you never see.
Yeah, because why would I walk over here when I could drive? My body in there, because they have that really cool statue. There's only...
It's the oldest Bob's Big Boy.
Yes, and it also has a really cool car show there on Friday nights that without fail, it's full of all these amazing hot rods and old timers and their girlfriends and food, and they just sit out every Friday. It's so cute.
Okay, so people are going to take their picture all day long in front of Bob's Big Boy.
Yes.
It's never going to end.
It's not going to end.
What would your technique be to get a selfie? How would you get the three of us in here on a selfie? Because you're better at selfies than I am.
I have a really good selfie stick that I was born with.
Yeah?
It's this long chocolate arm.
Yeah.
So I just know which angles to get. Because some people get too much ceiling or too much floor, or they cut off somebody's face. I think I can do it. 1, 2, 3. I chose to come in tight because selfies look cute when you're cheek to cheek. If you're with other people, I guess it's an ussy technically, not a selfie. But ussies look cute when you're cheek to cheek. And then you want to make sure that you get the most of your body and face in the shot. Some people just hold the camera out and there's like all this extra headroom for no reason or like too much body, but you want to fill out the frame.
Yeah.
Right? Is that right, photographer?
I think so.
Okay, cool. Yes.
Yeah, I like what you did.
Yay.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about Toluca Lake?
I think it's really cool. It's a really cute little enclave of Los Angeles. It's not very big, but the fun thing about today is we weren't exactly sure what we were going to shoot and how we were going to shoot it, and the further we walked, the more fun stuff we saw. Yeah. And that's what I really liked.
And I like that walking with you showed me some new stuff about my neighborhood that I hadn't really noticed, so thank you.
My favorite was the Starlet Hotel. Starlet Hotel or the Starlet Apartments?
The luxury Starlet. I believe it said it was a luxury apartment, sir. Don't take that away from them. And the Melody was cute too. That had the colored door. They're both very old school apartments that you can feel the history of when you walk by.
Yeah, it was just fun. It was fun going out and having you pose, and joining me on the photo walk was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I didn't know I was supposed to be in the pictures. I thought you were taking it of the things.
Well, you know, when it's Tanjareen Saturday, and you are lucky enough to pass the Tanjareen Hotel, how can you not be in the shot? We didn't pass the Jeff Hotel.
Touche.
Right?
You'll have to find another name.
You'll have to take me to Jefferson Boulevard.
Oh, you do have a lot of Jefferson things in the world, though. You're lucky. When I see a Tanjareen Hotel, I'm like, what? This is amazing.
I got the original classic.
That's so cute.
A lunch with a vegan, and she doesn't mind. Thank you.
No, I don't judge.
Okay, this is crazy. They put a bun in the middle.
It looks like a Big Mac.
Yeah. Okay, here goes. Let's see if I can get my mouth open wide enough.
Is it good?
It's good. But nothing beats the 50th and getting to walk around Toluca Lake with Tanjareen.
Yay!
We call it Toluca Lake Tanjareen or Tanjareen Toluca Lake. did enjoy it, be sure to like, share, comment, please subscribe, please hit the bell. Tanjareen's going to tell everybody where to find her work.
Yes, you can find me on all social media platforms. If you know how to spell my name, it's Tanjareen, just like that. I'll say it in your microphone, Tanjareen. I'm official Tanjareen on Facebook, official Tanjareen on Instagram, and just Tanjareen on YouTube, Twitter, Yelp, JDate, Black Planet, anything else.
I'm at Jefferson Graham on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, you name it. I'm not on JDate, but you never know. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more Photowalk videos. As Tanjareen noted, we get around. We're en route to Japan, so possibly the next video you see might be from Japan, or go back in time and watch our video from Hollywood Boulevard. Either way, we'll catch you on the next Photowalk. Thanks a lot, Tanjareen.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
So let's say goodbye. Let's walk away, because that's always a fun way to end a Photowalk.
Can it be slow motion?
Sure.
So I just want to put it out there that even though we mentioned Burbank in this Toluca Lake photo walk, there's a downtown Burbank that has the theater, the mall, the comedy club, a bunch of restaurants. It has downtown Burbank with the city hall and the police station, all that. That's completely different.
And we're not going to go there today.
We're not doing that.
This area.
So if you ever want to see a Burbank video, that's...
How much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. I wish I knew.